Ciao, I'm Luca.
And I'm Grace.
Let's learn Italian. You know what my nonna, grandmother, did when I showed her a modern film? She walked out. She said, "Questo non è cinema. This is not cinema. Grace, benvenuta."
Ciao, Luca. Wait, your nonna walked out? That's intense.
Sì. Italians are very passionate about cinema. Today we're learning to discuss Italian films. È perfetto for A1, A2 level. Allora. So, last week I went to see an old Italian film at the cinema. Il cinema. The movie theater. My favorite type.
Il cinema. Okay, what kind of film?
Era un film classico. It was a classic film from the 1960s. You know, in Italy we call these old beautiful films cinema d'autore, auteur cinema. The director, il regista, the director, is like an artist.
Il regista, the director. Got it. So, your nonna only likes il regista, films by famous directors?
Esattamente. She says modern films don't have, come si dice, emotion? No, wait. L'emozione, the emotion. She wants l'emozione in every scene.
L'emozione, the emotion. I think I understand. She wants to feel something.
Perfetto. Brava. And here's the thing. In Italy, when you talk about a film, you don't just say, "it was good." No. You say, "mi ha colpito." It struck me. Or, "mi ha commosso." It moved me. We use the heart, not just the head.
Oh, wow. So if I say the film was good, that's not enough?
Exactly. You need to say how it made you feel. For example, il film mi ha fatto piangere. The film made me cry. Or, la trama, the plot. La trama era bellissima. See? La trama. You need to talk about the story.
La trama, the plot. Okay, so trama is the story of the film.
See? E anche. And also, you talk about I personaggi, the characters. I personaggi sono importanti. The characters are important. My nonna always says, se I personaggi non sono veri, il film è falso. If the characters aren't real, the film is fake.
I personaggi, the characters. Wow, your nonna has strong opinions.
She does. And one more thing. When the film ends, we talk about il finale, the ending. Il finale può essere triste o felice. The ending can be sad or happy. But it must be, how do you say, meaningful, significativo.
Il finale, okay, the ending. So, trama, personaggi, finale. I need to remember all these.
Brava, you're learning fast. Now, there's one more important word. La scena. The scene. La scena. When you remember a film, you remember una scena importante. An important scene. Like, c'è una scena che mi ha fatto ridere. There's a scene that made me laugh.
La scena, the scene. Okay, wait, can I try? Il film ha una scena very emotional.
Quasi. Say, il film ha una scena molto emozionante. The film has a very emotional scene. Molto emozionante. Try it.
Il film ha una scena molto emozionante. Did I say it right?
Perfetto. Bravissima. Now, here's the cultural thing that surprises everyone. In Italy, after the film ends, nobody leaves immediately. We stay, we sit, we discuss, sometimes for 20 minutes. Americans always rush out, but we need to process l'emozione.
Wait, really? You stay in the cinema after the film?
Sì. And if you leave right away, people think you didn't care about the film. It's almost rude. You need to show respect to il regista, to la trama, to l'emozione.
That's so different. I always leave immediately.
Ecco. There you go. This is why cinema is so important in Italian culture. Okay, now, let's imagine you're in Rome. You just watched a beautiful Italian film with me. A tourist asks you about it. Ready? I'll be the tourist. You tell me about the film. In Italiano, eh?
Oh, no, okay. Mi ha colpito, the film, struck me.
Sì. Go on. What about la trama? Tell me.
La trama era, bellissima. The plot was beautiful.
Perfetto. E I personaggi? What about the characters?
I personaggi, erano, how do I say real? Veri?
Sì, i personaggi erano veri. Bravissima. Ok, now tell me about una scena. What scene did you like?
C'è una scena che mi ha fatto, cry. How do I say cry?
Piangere. Mi ha fatto piangere. Say it. C'è una scena che mi ha fatto piangere.
C'è una scena che mi ha fatto piangere. Wow, I said a whole sentence.
Brava. And now the most important question. Il finale. Com'era il finale? How was the ending?
Il finale era triste, but beautiful. How do I say but?
Ma. Say. Il finale era triste ma bellissimo. Sad but beautiful.
Il finale era triste ma bellissimo. Oh my God, I'm talking about films in Italian.
Sì. And now, here's something funny. You know what word Italians use for a bad film? Una ciofeca. It means garbage, like, questo film è una ciofeca. If you say this at a cinema in Italy, everyone will laugh and agree with you.
Una ciofeca. That's such a fun word. So if the film is terrible, I can say una ciofeca.
Esatto. But be careful. Only say it if the film is really, really bad. Otherwise, it's too strong. Now, let me test you. Imagine, you watch the film. Il regista è famoso. La trama è interessante. I personaggi sono veri. Ma il finale, the ending, is disappointing, deludente. How do you feel?
Il film mi ha colpito, but the finale was deludente.
Perfetto. Say the whole thing. Il film mi ha colpito, ma il finale era deludente.
Il film mi ha colpito, ma il finale era deludente. This is getting easier.
Bravissima. You're using all the vocabulary naturally now. Okay, let's review. What's the word for the movie theater?
Il cinema.
Perfect. And the director?
Il regista.
Brava. And when a film strikes you emotionally?
Mi ha colpito.
Perfetto. Now use all three in one sentence. Tell me about a film you love.
Ok. Il regista è Spielberg. And il film mi ha colpito when I was at the cinema.
Bravissima. Say, il regista è Spielberg e il film mi ha colpito quando ero al cinema.
Il regista è Spielberg e il film mi ha colpito quando ero al cinema. Wow.
Eccellente. Now tell me about la trama of your favorite film. Use i personaggi and la scena too.
Ok, la trama è molto emozionante. I personaggi sono interessanti e c'è una scena che mi ha fatto ridere, laugh.
Perfetto. You just described a film in Italian. Look how far you've come today. You started hesitant, and now you're building complete thoughts. Here's a tip for remembering these words. When you watch a film tonight, pause after and say out loud, la trama, ai personaggi, il finale. Describe it to yourself in Italiano, even just one sentence.
I can do that. I'm going to practice tonight.
Brava. And remember, in Italy, cinema is not just entertainment. It's art, it's l'emozione, it's culture. When you talk about a film, you're talking about life. This is why my nonna walked out. She felt the modern film didn't respect this tradition.
I get it now. Cinema is sacred?
Esattamente. Sacred. Perfect word. Okay, Grace, next time, we're going to learn the one phrase you must say when ordering takeaway pizza or the pizzaiolo. The pizza maker will give you the wrong pizza. Trust me, you're going to need it.
Oh no, I can't wait to learn that.
A presto, Grace. See you next time.
Ciao, Luca.
Ottimo lavoro oggi. You did a great job today.
That was so fun. I can already feel it clicking.
If you want to keep building on what we learned, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
And hit that like button if you learned something new today. It really helps us out.
We'd also love to hear from you. Leave a comment with your favorite Italian word from this episode.
Or a word you want us to teach next time.
Grazie mille for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Ci vediamo. Ciao.